All right, in this video, we're going to go over the classic, the one and only, the Guild D-20 Dreadnought acoustic guitar. Yes, that's right. I got both of them. The natural, boom, and the vintage Sunburst right here. Stick around. Let me know which one you like the best. All right, so welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I am Terry Carter, and I'm fortunate because I have both of them, the natural and the vintage Sunburst that we're going to be going over. It's really the same instrument. Just want to see what finish you like the best. All right, if you like these, you can get them one place, store.rocklikethepros.com. So this is it. Like, this is as classic as it gets, this Guild Dreadnought. Now, if you don't know a lot about Guilds, fantastic. These are made in the U.S., by the way. Fantastic. I have a Guild myself. I have the Jumbo. These, play and sound absolutely amazing. So we're going to dive into that. I do these videos for you so you can hear them. You can see them on your own, because I know it's hard. Sometimes you don't have the option to go in and play them, but I'll do everything I can so you can make a decision yourself on what you think of these two things. So Guild D-20 and natural, Guild D-20 vintage Sunburst. Shall we do it? Let's dive right in. All right, so that was on the natural. Let me do the same thing here on this vintage Sunburst. Which one do you like so far? Drop that in the comments below. Here we go. All right, there you go. Man, who gives you a sample of both of them, the natural finish and the vintage Sunburst? All right, should we dive into this thing? All right, check this out. Solid, by the way, all solid. Boom, boom, boom. Made in America. USA. That's how we roll. All right, solid, African, mahogany, top, sides, and the back. Of course, this one is the vintage Sunburst. Let me grab the natural. All right, so the natural, everything's the same dimensions, same wood, same everything. This one just has a natural satin, nitrocellulose finish on it, as opposed to the vintage Sunburst. All right, what else we got? We got rosewood fretboard, boom, rosewood bridge. We got the bridge pins. We do have a bone compensated saddle there. We have 1 11/16 nut width, solid, boom, mahogany neck. You got the keep it right here, the vintage Guild tuners with the cream buttons. Classic Guild headstock, mother of pearl inlay, dual rod truss rod, and you do have a 20-inch radius, boom, fretboard on this bad boy, ABS rosette. Overall length 41 3/4 overall length. These have the Diodario EXP 16 strings on them. So what do you think? Drop something in a comment. Let's do some more playing so you can really hear this thing. there you go. Little blues in E for you. What do you think? Drop in a comment below. This is it. I mean, these are light. That's actually really cool. It's really light. Got the light finish on it. They sound amazing. I mean, this is the classic sound. I mean, these were introduced 1968 by Guild. Absolutely fantastic looking, feeling, playing. I think Guild is way underrated, by the way. As a company, everyone wants to go to the Gibsons and the Martins and the Taylors, and that's all fantastic instruments, but the Guild are highly underrated, especially these D-20, these made in America African mahogany. Let me do good. Let me grab the vintage Sunburst. Which one do you like? By the way, they do come with a hardshell case. Let me grab it. Boom, they do come with the hardshell case, just like I said. They fit really perfectly. They got the humidifier built into the case, hardshell case, arch top. Protect your instrument, plus you don't have to make that extra investment because it's already there. I don't know what to say. Light, airy, warm, big, full, resonance, overtones. It's everything you need in a guitar. This is a Guild D-20 Dreadnought acoustic guitar. Fantastic. Get it at one place, store.rocklikethepros.com. We want to help you get the guitar of your dreams. We want to help you learn to get better, and that's why we also offer all our courses, memberships, everything at rocklikethepros.com. So appreciate you being here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment, smash that like button. It's all helps and it's all appreciated. I'm Terry Carter. This is Rock Like the Pros, the Guild D-20. We'll see you next time.